Now we are going to start stuffing the pumpkin. I like to take a big piece first and then push it to the outside from the center. So when you're reading a pattern for like an amigurumi or a plushie or anything really that needs stuffed, they generally say to stuff and shape. And it took me a while to figure out what shaping meant, and that's essentially what it is. You stuff it, and then you use your fingers, or you can use a tool if it's too tight. In this case, fingers are fine. And you push it to the outside corners of your fabric so that your plushie can hold as much stuffing as possible. This is not one of those situations where less is more. The more stuffing you can fit in without it falling out, the better. Mostly because over time, especially if it's a well-loved plushie, it'll start to condense and look not as plump. So the more you can fit in at the beginning, the longer it'll last. But I think those are all the tips I have on stuffing right now. And be sure to like and follow for more.